is me attempting the ground cinnamon challenge, 1 tablespoon. Over here. This is fucked up, I know, but fuck it, right?
You gotta put more. It's not level, look. You gotta put more.
That's fucking level.
No.
Ma, fuck off. Yours wasn't even
yes,
that much.
Yes, it was, Richie. Watch. You can always scrape it off.
You're fucked. That's fucked up, Ma.
Now level it.
Fuck you.
Just level it. There you go. That's a. Leave it. That's a full. Right there.
That's fucked up.
That's a full.
Oh man. I'm about to be pissed as fuck too.
Get in the light so I can see. Drink.
Oh, fuck.